Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Trisha. For those of you who don't know, hi, welcome back. So for this video, I thought of sharing with you guys a very nice summery peachy makeup look. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so for prepping my face, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's one of the best moisturizers for oily and combination skin type. It's really good. It literally feels like you have taken a dip inside the pool. It's so nice and moisturizing, very hydrating, and also has a cooling effect on your skin. So it's great if you have ongoing acne or any sort of redness. Now for the sunscreen, I'm using the Plum sunscreen. It's one of the best ones in the market for oily and acne prone skin type. It's really good. I love this sunscreen so much. For prepping my lips, I'm using the Nykaa's Macaroon lip balm. It's in the flavor Strawberry Crush. Again, very affordable, very nice, super hydrating and moisturizing. Now for my base makeup, I'm going to start with two concealers. The first one is the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel, if I'm not wrong, and the second one is in the shade Golden, 36 Golden. It's from the Fit Me range, again by Maybelline. So the first one is a little bit darker than my original skin tone, so I'm going to be using that to cancel out all the darkness, and the Fit Me one to basically highlight the high points of my face so that my under eye area does not look really dark. And then I'm taking a damp beauty blender and just blending it all in. Honestly guys, you're supposed to blend it really well so that it looks like a seamless, flawless base and people don't come up to you and say, oh, you have put too much makeup, because honestly that sucks. Then I'm using the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Desert Beige. It's one of the really good drugstore affordable foundations. I really like it. It's really light and it does not feel cakey at all. Also, if you're getting any sort of background noises, I'm really sorry for that. Kids are playing down. Anyways, so I'm just taking my damn beauty blender once again and just blending it all in, because we all want a nice, flawless, smooth base so that we look like we have naturally got gifted good skin. Anyways, so I'm just blending everything in, and as you can see, I used a very little amount of foundation because honestly I don't wear a lot of foundation. I just get done with concealer because that's like my problematic area. Now to just set everything in place, I'm using the Nykaa's Skin Genius Compact in the shade for Cozy Chestnut, I guess. It's really nice. It's a very nice and smooth powder. I'm actually using a shade which is darker than my skin tone, as you can see, and if you're wondering why, that is because it's going to help me conceal and correct all the darkness that I have, and it's going to just give me a really nice flawless look. Now I'm going to set the entire face with the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose powder, which is in the shade 25 medium. I really like this powder. Again, one of the good drugstore ones. You can just use it. It's really nice. Anyways, I'm just going to dunk the beauty sponge inside the tub and I'm going to bake using it. I love baking. It works for me, and I'm actually focusing the powder on my T-zone, as you can see, because I have oily skin on my T-zone and the rest of my face is dry. Yes, I have combination skin, and I just focus the powder there, and the rest of the face I just set with whatever powder is left on the sponge, basically, because I don't really like to set the entire face with that with too much powder. Basically, it feels pretty dry. And then I'm just taking a flat brush and just dusting off all the bake, as you can see. Now to just set the entire thing together, I'm using the NYX Professional Matte Setting Spray. It's one of the best ones, and I just spritz a little bit on my face so that all the foundation, powder, concealer, whatever we have put, it all marries together and just looks seamless and flawless and just gives the perfect base for you to work on. Now moving on to my brows. I'm going to be using the Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. This is the waterproof one, I guess, and it's literally the cheapest one I found, and it's so good, so pigmented. You actually need not look for a high-end eyebrow pencil. It's the best one. I like, trust me, it's really nice. You can see how easily it helps me get my brows done, and it's really nice, very pigmented, and like not overly pigmented, it's just enough pigment, if you know what I mean. I really like it, and it has just changed the brow game for me forever. Seriously guys, I love it, and it's literally for like 125 bucks, and on sale you literally get it for like 100 rupees. Can you believe it? I have literally like 4 or 5 lying around. I love this pencil so much. Now, yes, I'm making that funny face because I totally forgot that I was running out of my kohl. And yeah, I'm just using the plum kajal, the 24x7 plum kajal, to tightline my waterlines. I really like this kajal, but I don't know, I literally forgot that it was about to be over. So yeah, please don't mind that teeny tiny pingusa kajal which I have. Anyways, I actually sort of created a liner look also with that, because I don't know, went into the liner mode. Anyways, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, which is a very nice, very pigmented blush for dusky skin beauties, especially if you are of NC40, NC42. You're gonna love this blush. I am an NC42 for reference, and it's really great, very pigmented, and as you can see, I'm putting a lot of blush because I love it. And I'm also putting a little bit on my nose because it sort of ties the entire thing together. Now to highlight and bring some glow back to my face, I'm using the Maybelline's Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold, and again, one of the cult favorite highlights. Really nice, very pigmented, love it. And also, after applying this highlight, I realized that it gave attention to my little boo-boo on my cheeks. But anyways, then I move on to lips, and I'm using the Lakme's Forever Matte liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Nude Dream, a very nice peachy nude lipstick for drugstore, like for dusky skin beauties, I mean. And I really like it. It is not gonna wash you out. Trust me, I'm an NC42 and it does not wash me out. It's really great. Now going back to my eyes, I'm actually taking the same blush once again and putting it in the crease to add some dimension to my eyes because they were looking very pale and very bland. Anyways, so to add some color to my eyes, I'm actually using that, and as you can see, the entire look just it has tied everything together. I really like monochromatic looks, and I always try to go for monochrome looks because I just love the same shade of eyeshadow, same tone blush, same tone lipstick. I just really like it. Now to complete my eyes, I'm actually going to use the Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara. I am in love with this mascara. I am so loyal to this one. I literally have not shifted my mascara in so long, literally ever since I started using it. I just love it more than the last Sensational one. Like, I just love it. I can't say more. I just love it, and you just need to know that it's one of my favorite mascaras of the entire time. And I'm using the same mascara on my bottom lashes as well. To set the rest of my face, I'm actually going to be using the same NYX setting spray all over to lock the makeup in. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. And also please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram at the rate that fashion fiesta, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.